Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine and enjoying a good health. Okay student, welcome back to the online series in Future Executive School. Today we will learn a very fantastic, superb and very interesting letter. Yes. Okay, we will start our lesson from a very simple and very interesting question, which is how is the weather today? Today is rainy. If the sun is appear on the sky, then it will be sunny day. Students, are you getting my point? Yes, very good. Okay, student. Today we will discuss about the English letter, which is A. Hurry up, pick up your bag. Students, pick up your bag. Very good. Take out your English reader from your bag. Students, take out your English reader from your bag and open English reader page number 4. Yes. English reader page number 4. Okay, I'll give you a few seconds. Open. Have you done? Yes, very good. Okay, students, look at this. Look at this. Trace the letter, which is A. Which is A. Okay, students, how will you do it? Start from here. Where is right one? Start from here. Okay, first of all, pick up your pencil. Pick up your pencil. We will trace the letter A by singing the rhyme of A. Wow! By singing a rhyme of A. Very good. Have you done? Have you picked up your pencil? Yes. Okay, great. Let's start. Make a C. Make a C. Go up a bit. Then come down. Let it sit again. Make a C. Go up a bit, then come down, let it sit. Okay, move towards the next letter, which is also A. Pick up your pencil and trace the letter A. Very good. I hope you are enjoying. Let's start. Make a C. Make a C. Go up a bit, then come down, let it sit. Wow! Again, repeat after me. Make a C go up a bit, then come down, let it sit. Wonderful, great job. Okay, student. Uh, Now we will move towards a word. Okay, which is the first word? Look at this picture. Actually, it is ant. You will see in your house, on the walls, and in the cartoons, in the short movies, and the different places. Like that ant, it is present in your houses as well. Look at this picture. A ant. A ant. A ant. Very good. I hope you understand this. Okay, students, move towards the next word, which is very beautiful, interesting, and you like it very much. What it is? Look at the picture. What it is? Actually, it is aeroplane. Wow! It will be present in your toys, and you see in the sky, and you will see in the cartoon series, and in the different places, in the airport. Yes, where the aeroplane present, it present, it is present in the aeroplane, in the airport. Yes, it is present in the airport. It is present on the airport. Yes, a aeroplane. What it is? A aeroplane. Repeat after me. A aeroplane. Okay. Move towards the next letter, which is sorry. Move towards the next word, which is apple. A apple. A apple. A apple. Okay. What is the color of apple? The color of apple is red. The color of apple is red. Wow. You like it very much. It gives you a good health and sustain your health very well. Yes. Okay, students. Repeat these all words. A ant, a aeroplane, a apron. You will trace the letter A which is present below these words. Yes, and write the letter A which in the boxes. Are you understand my words? I hope you will understand my words. Inshallah, student, we will meet in the next lecture. Stay happy and safe. Bye bye.
Future executive school built on vision, values, and belief.